In this video, we will learn about create database and table using SQL statement. Data manipulation, like insert, update, delete. So let's start. To create a database, the statement is used. Create database. And the query is create database name. Suppose your requirement is create a database with name demo_database using SQL statement. Then you need to write create database demo_database, where demo_database is a database name. Now, let's do it in a PHP MyAdmin. Click SQL. Here you need to write that query. Click Go. You can see that database is created. Now if you want to delete any database from here, then you can do in two ways. You can delete any database by using SQL statement. To delete database, you need to write the statement drop database, and the query is drop database demo_database, where demo_database is a name of database. And secondly, to delete a database from PHP MyAdmin, click on the database which you want to delete. Click Operations. And here you can notice the drop option. Simply click on it, and OK. Now database is deleted. Now create table using SQL statement. To create a table, the statements we use, create table. Suppose you want to create a table with 5 columns. So the syntax of a query you need to write as follows. Where these are the columns. And these are the data types of the corresponding columns. Now let's do it in a PHP MyAdmin. A table should be created under any particular database. Suppose I want to create a table under learning_MySQL database. Click SQL. Now we are set to write the create table query. Click Go. See, table is created under this database. Click Drop to delete your table. Or write a query, drop table name, to delete a table. Now to insert any data into table, we need to write the following query. Where these are columns name, and these are the columns values. Suppose we want to insert a data like below. So the insert query for this are as follows. Let's try it into PHP MyAdmin. Click Student Table, and then SQL. Here you can see the insert option. Simply click on it, and you will get an insert query format. You need to just fill the values here, or you can also write the full query by yourself. The data is now inserted into student table. Now we will learn how to update an existing data by SQL. During this topic, you will be introduced with where clause and set keyword. Where clause is used to specify a condition. If the condition is satisfied, then the data will be updated, and the set is used to set the new value or updated value. To update any data, we use the statement update table, and the query we use update table name, set column name equals some updated value, where need to fill some condition. Suppose the requirement is from student table, we have to update address from Kolkata to Bihar, whose name is Rahul. So the solution is as follows. Let's try it into PHP MyAdmin. Now, the address of Rahul is Kolkata. We have to update this address to Bihar. Click SQL. Then update and fill the values. Click Go. You can see the address of Rahul is updated. Now suppose you want to delete a particular data from a table. To delete a data, the statement is used delete form, and the query is used delete from table _ name, where some condition is needed. Suppose your requirement is from student table, we need to delete a data or a particular row whose name is Rahul. So the solution for this requirement are as follows. Let's try it into PHP MyAdmin. Go to SQL. Click delete, and just fills the claimed values. See the row contained name as Rahul has been deleted. So what we have learned from this video. To create a database, use statement create database, and for delete, use drop database statement. To create a table, use statement create table, and for delete, use delete table statement. For insert a data, use statement insert into. For update any data, use statement update table. For delete a data, use statement delete from.